Have you ever wondered how much a penny or a nickel is really worth? Most people think of them as small, almost useless coins that sit forgotten in jars or drawers. But what if I told you that these little pieces of metal could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even millions of dollars? That's right, the coins you use for pocket change might actually be treasures hiding in plain sight. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of U.S. coins to find out the real story behind the penny and the nickel, and why some of them are far more valuable than you can imagine. A penny may only be worth 1 cent and a nickel just 5, but when you look closer, history tells a much richer tale. The 1943 copper penny is one of the most legendary coins in history. During World War II, copper was needed for ammunition, so the U.S. Mint began making pennies out of steel. But a few copper blanks accidentally slipped through, creating one of the rarest minting errors ever. Those 1943 copper pennies are now worth over $100,000 each. Then there's a 1955 double-die penny, famous for its doubled lettering caused by a minting misalignment. Even a simple 1909 SVB Lincoln penny, the first year of the Lincoln cent, can bring in thousands of dollars if it's in perfect condition. Now let's talk about nickels, coins we barely think twice about, yet some are worth fortunes. The 1913 Liberty Head nickel is one of the rarest coins ever made. Only 5 were struck, and each one is sold for millions at auction. The 1950 D. Jefferson nickel is another collector favorite, prized for its low mintage. And during World War II, from 1942 to 1945, the mint replaced nickel with silver to save metal for the war effort. Those war nickels are still highly collectible today, valued not just for their silver, but for the history they carry. But what makes these coins so valuable? It's not only about rarity, condition and detail matter too. A coin's grade or physical condition can make a massive difference. A dull, scratched penny might be worth just a cent, while the same coin in mint state could be worth hundreds. Collectors, called numismatists, use microscopes to study every mark, line, and edge, searching for minting errors like off-center strikes, double dies, or missing mint marks. Even the smallest mistake can turn an ordinary coin into something extraordinary. Every penny and nickel tells a story of history, art, and the evolution of money itself. Maybe that coin in your pocket was used during the Great Depression or passed through a 1940s diner. Maybe it traveled through time, carrying silent traces of generations before us. That's the magic of coin collecting. You never know what hidden story or hidden value you might find. So, how much is a penny really worth? How much is a nickel? The simple answer is, it depends. Most are worth exactly what they say, but a rare few are priceless treasures waiting to be discovered. Before you spend that penny or toss that nickel aside, take a closer look. You might be holding a small piece of American history, or maybe even a hidden fortune in the palm of your hand.